Hi again, this is Guru from Kannada Phonetics. Thanks again for purchasing this keyboard. So I want to briefly go over with the layouts for this keyboard, and it's slightly different from QWERTY. So this is a unique layout that we have designed for Indic languages. If you have unboxed and gone through those instruction lessons, so we have already told you about the special keys. One is to join or combine, and one is to add consonants, the orange button, and also we have a special button to switch languages. All right, so those buttons are distributed in this keyboard. So we have 10 of these blue buttons, and these are called shift buttons or join buttons. So these buttons are used to join consonants with vowels. So if you want to make ka, you press ka in any one of these blue buttons. Hold it down and press a. So it becomes ka. So ka plus a is k. So I'm holding this plus here. So you got to keep holding these buttons. All right. And for adding consonants, adjudication. So ka, vatakshar, ka. That means it adds one below the other for ka. And for left-handers, we've got one button here, and for right-handers down here. And this is a button used to switch languages. Like we said, with one keyboard, I can type any Indic language, depending on which mother tongue keyboard you have ordered. So it kind of shifts languages when you switch that. And we have provided about 10 languages. So you could shift to any one of those by installing only those language packs. All right, so next to your language buttons, your installed languages will show up. And as you press, it iterates between English and your installed languages. So we will talk about more after the installation instructions. So going ahead with this familiarization of these keyboards, we do have Control-Alt buttons similar to Windows and the Windows switch button. So specifically for Windows users, and we have the function keys and the arrow buttons, page up, page down, backspace, escape, delete buttons, and enter button. And any one of these on the top, you use your shift keys to get those signs. Say for instance plus. So you press any one of these blue buttons and that symbol you get plus. All right. Same thing for colon. You hold it and press that, any one of the shift. I'm holding with my thumb here and this. So in addition, we have all the special symbols that we have accommodated, like danda, om, all the Unicode symbols for that specific language has been provided, and you can use those. And there are some numbers. All the numbers and the characters above it is fairly similar to your QWERTY. So if you see your QWERTY keyboard, above those numbers, if you press shift, you get those characters. So the same has been accommodated in this keyboard also. Having said that, we will go over the installation instructions and then see how to use the keyboard after installing the language packs.